guys, look, we're with Bunso, so we're gonna play some Minecraft in this video, and we're gonna find Bunso how to build a house.
Yes, it's simple.
You're building there, so it's a little chicken. Hmm. Hmm. I'm eating while eating in my crafting table. No, I'm gonna ask the crafting table. It's a Minecraft, like mine. So I'm gonna put it right here. Now I'm gonna just mix them up. Mm. So how can I make a pickaxe?
Crafting table. Kailangan mo ng stick. Okay. Ito. What are you doing? Fine. Because I love you.
I jumped.
Nice. Excuse me.
Hmm. How dare you? Hmm. Don't look, huh? Don't look at me.
bomb sa house ko.
Hi. I'm not here. I'm just hiding.
Shout out. Favorite.
I'm invisible. Tingnan ko.
Excuse me. This is it. And the house.
Finish na. Po. Narinig mo yon, Bell?
Yep.
I-check mo sino nag-bell.
Ano ba?
That's the...
Hey.
Oh, that's not me. But you can see me. I'm invisible, but you can see me.
Hey.
So guys, if you always like the channel, sorry po, nag-add po ako ng,
Huwag ganito because you like it.
yeah, because para hindi na o-open. But so I'm back.
May ibang color ng dark.
Dark? Okay, ano color?
Ay, black and dark white. Like panda color.
Okay, I'm gonna do it, okay? Wait. I'm gonna put the white back. Hmm? I already put it. Go inside.
Thank you very much for helping me.
Huh?
Much.
Secret room?
Yes.
Secret room mo to?
Alin?
Ito? I want to
You found my secret room.
Yeah. I'm gonna drink something. I want some lemon. I want lemon.
Oh, my secret
I wanna
room.
drink lemon juice.
Found my secret room. Like my secret room.
Yeah, because Bunso, listen to me. Wait a second, Bunso. Come here. In the secret room. Yung ano ako, na-drink ng invisible potion, nakita ko yung secret room mo. Bunso, is this yung Wither Storm na picture?
Here's one picture.
Okay, I see. Oh, lock. Kaya nakita ko.
Nick.
Ano to? Is this the kitchen?
Yes.
Or ito yung bedroom? Ano yung bedroom? Ito ba yung secret room?
Yes.
Ay, bedroom? Can I decorate your bedroom?
You can decorate both rooms.
Both?
Yes.
And you're gonna do in the outside?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna do ano first? Bedroom.
Sure.
Just do some black, white, and some these books and some actually some huh? Okay, I'm gonna decorate those. I'm gonna put the bed right here. I'm gonna put white and black bed
Sure.
because it's a panda design.
Yes, it's a fancy one that we both love.
I'm adding some bookshelves
Sure.
because if you want to read, you can read, and
Sure.
some.
Sorry.
And I'm gonna. The flower is black. I'm gonna add it here. I'm gonna add some. I also come in secret room.
Why?
Come in here in the secret room. Is it? Come. Is it good?
This is so good.
Thank you.
Design din dito sa part na to. Dito.
Okay, I'll design it. You want me to add a mini garden there?
Sure.
I really want to. Let me add some grass. Wait, is this not black? It's not black, but I like it. What color? Not what? Not
Ito.
big flower pot. Yung nagkuha ko ng paper house and get yung paper pot. Kung saan yun? Yung saan?
Ito sa pinakadaan. I can't see dito. Where is it? Para ito.
Yes. This add trapdoor. You want white trapdoor? Wala na. Kung saan ang gusto mo white trapdoor?
Tingin. Ito.
Yung andap, yung bunso,
Okay.
yung parang ganito, yung ganito.
Ito yung ginagamit ka like this. Or itong bamboo.
So look, it didn't work. Look.
Lagay mo muna ng flower pot.
Okay, let me add. Dead bush. So guys, I'm gonna go outside. So, why do you don't choose the itong plant?
Look mo to. Diba? I chose it.
Bakit dito hindi? Enter.
Saan?
Ito dito.
Hindi ko like ng may flowers.
Dead bush. Dead bush. Dead bush. Dead bush. Dead bush.
Nice, I like it. Nadadagdag ka pa ng flower dito sa flower vase. Flower pot.
Why?
Look mo, parang stairs siya.
Ginawa ko to. I didn't make this.
I made it. Para so cool.
Wait, why did you delete yung nandito?
Iba na lang yan. One.
At pag-read tayo.
Yes, we can share with each one. No worry. I think my job here is done. Good luck with the designs. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at me. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, guys.
Ami, ang done na po. So guys, if you enjoyed that video,